Welcome to Metro. This is a Flinders Street Limited Express service direct to Flinders Street. Now arriving at Cannonook. Now arriving at Seaford. Now arriving at Carrum. Now arriving at Bonbeach. Now arriving at Chelsea. Now arriving at Edithvale. Now arriving at Aspendale. Now arriving at Mordialloc. Now arriving at Parkdale. Now arriving at Mentone. Now arriving at Cheltenham. From Cheltenham, this train runs express to Caulfield. Now arriving at Caulfield, change here for Pakenham and Cranbourne services. Now arriving at Malvern. From Malvern, this train runs express to South Yarra. Now arriving at South Yarra, change here for Sandringham service. Now arriving at Richmond, change here for Belgrave, Lilydale, Alamein and Glenwaverley services. Now arriving at Southern Cross. The next station is Flinders Street. This train will terminate at Flinders Street. Flinders Street. This train will terminate at Flinders Street. Welcome to Metro. This is a Frankston Limited Express service direct to Frankston. Now arriving at Southern Cross. Now arriving at Richmond, change here for Belgrave, Lilydale, Alamein and Glenwaverley services. Now arriving at South Yarra, change here for Sandringham service. From South Yarra, this train runs express to Caulfield. Now arriving at Caulfield, change here for Pakenham and Cranbourne services. From Caulfield, this train runs express to Cheltenham. Now arriving at Cheltenham. Now arriving at Mentone. Now arriving at Parkdale. Now arriving at Mordialloc. Now arriving at Aspendale. Now arriving at Edithvale. Now arriving at Chelsea. Now arriving at Bonbeach. Now arriving at Carrum. Now arriving at Seaford. Now arriving at Cannonook. The next station is Frankston. This train will terminate at Frankston. Frankston. This train will terminate at Frankston.